Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Challenge. So in today's video I will show you how you can set up the AIKA GPS tracker inside your vehicles. Mainly I will show you with my bike how I have set up this inside a bike, but the process is same for any kinds of vehicles. So this is the box. When you will open the box, you will firstly get the device itself, and there is the manual book. This is very important, by the way, manual book. And also wait a minute, also you will get a sticker. This sticker will help you to put the device inside the vehicles. So this is a tutorial book, and behind this you will get a detailed description how you can set up that device. But don't worry, I will show you the practically how I have set up this. So the first thing first, the first step is the power cables. So there is three cables in this device, the black, red and yellow one. Mainly the black and red one is for the power cable. These two will go in the battery section in the vehicles, and this yellow one is mainly will go with the ignition cables inside your vehicles. So if you want that this device will respond when someone unauthorizedly start your device, then you have to set up these cables the inside this kind of ignition. You will find this kind of ignition cable inside the device, inside your vehicles. So you have to set up this with those cables. But yeah, but before that, the first steps, you have to set up this device, then this part will come. So firstly you have to inside your vehicles you have to choose area where you want to put the device. So mainly you have to select area where actually no one will know where you have actually put the device. This will be the safest part. The first step to set up the device, the very first thing you have to do is you have to this is the battery, the vehicles, and you have to put the black cable inside black this black part. You will see the black wires, so don't worry, you won't be confused. You have to put these cables, the black one with the black side, and this red cable in the red side of the battery. After that, this device will be charged up. So as soon as you will connect the power cables, this device will start to blink like this. It will start blinking. That means the the device got the power. And after that, only after that, you will put a SIM card inside the device, like here, this here. Yes, like this is the second step. And now I will show you the critical part, how you can set up the device using the SMS code. So hello everyone, welcome to the second part of the video. Now I will show you how you can set up the admin for this GPS tracker. So to sum up the first part, first of all you have to put this power cables inside the battery. The red one with the red cable will go the red part of the battery, and black one with the black. And only after then you have to put the SIM card inside the device. inside the device and one inside the device like here. And one very important part is you can only put once a SIM card inside this device. Like you put this SIM card like this, and you after you press it, you will hear a click sound. That means the SIM card has successfully set up inside the device. But after that you, if you paying out the SIM card, this device will not accept any other SIM card, even this one. So you have to be very careful. Only once you have to put this SIM card, and that's it. You don't need to touch it, because if you mess around with this device will lock itself automatically, and this is a very, I think, a very necessary security option we need in this kind of GPS tracker. And now the admin setup. So there is mainly you have two SIM. One SIM is inside the device and another SIM will be inside your mobile, obviously, and this mobile SIM card will be, wait a second, this mobile SIM card will be your admin SIM card, and this one will be a GPS SIM card. So to connect your mobile with this GPS tracker, first of all you need to put the SIM inside this. Then you have to send some SMS command from this phone to this SIM card. First of all, you have to send this command APN and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then after then you have to put a code, and this code will vary from different SIM card. Like this code is for the Banglalink SIM card, and I will give all the codes for different mobile SIM card operator. Like GP code will be different, Robi operator codes will be different, Teletalk operator code will be different. So main part is you have, first of all, you have to type this in your message code, in your message APN 1 2 3 4 5 6, then the code. After that, when you will send the message, this device will reply back to you like APA is okay. After that, the second part will be the admin. You have to like set up the admin. Like this is your phone admin with your device. So you have to write admin 1 2 3 4 5 6, then the number of your this mobile, and you will send the code. After sometimes it may take some time, so be patient. Do not put out the SIM, and obviously do not cut off the power connection. And after a while it will send you a verification admin okay. That means this device is 100% set up with this device. And the final part is you have to send this code zone 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is the code based the time zone of our country. Like in Bangladesh, this is GMT +6. It will be this last part will be vary from country to country, and when we send this command to this in this SIM card, it will also respond back. So when these 3 steps will be completed, your device your admin device and your GPS tracker is 100%. When the device will be 100% synchronized with each other, then you will have to go into the app, put your ID and password. This will be provided with the ID here. Here also it is written inside the device, and you will get the password inside this manual. So when you log into the device, you will see the you can see the real time tracking. So thank you everyone for watching the video, and under the description box I have given all the necessary codes that you will need to set up the admin, and moreover I have given a written description how you can set up the device, how you can set up the admin from the beginning to the end. And if you feel any confusion, you can read the description box, and if you think you are having any problem, kindly comment and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.